Imagine being able to generate a complete, high-converting graphic designer portfolio website in minutes, not by designing every section manually, but by using one structured prompt inside ChatGPT. Not just a layout, but an entire website system with a hero section, services, portfolio, testimonials, contact form, and design guidelines ready to build inside Canva. That's exactly what this prompt is designed to do. What you're looking at here is a full stack prompt that generates a scrollable portfolio website from start to finish. Not just sections, but a complete structure optimized to showcase your work and convert visitors into clients. Inside this prompt, there are two types of bracketed elements you need to understand. The first are customizable variables like your name, headline, bio, services, projects, and contact details, which are the only parts you replace. The second are instructional brackets, which guide ChatGPT with structure, layout rules, and design directions so the output stays clean and professional. Starting with the role section, this defines ChatGPT as a professional web designer and Canva AI expert, so it thinks in terms of conversion, not just visuals. The task section then clearly defines the goal of creating a full portfolio website, while the goals section ensures the output focuses on building trust and converting visitors. The variables section makes the prompt reusable, while the design style section controls the overall look with a clean, modern aesthetic, strong white space, and consistent typography. Then comes the structure section, which organizes the entire website, starting with the hero section to grab attention and drive action, followed by the about section to build trust, the services section to clearly present what you offer, and the portfolio section to showcase real results. It continues with skills and testimonials to add credibility, a contact section to make it easy for clients to reach you, social links for visibility, and a final CTA section to push conversions. The footer keeps everything minimal. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, this could be your solution to finally break free from that cycle. AI voiceovers are one of the fastest growing ways to earn passive income, and they can truly change your life. And today's your lucky day because we've put together a complete step-by-step guide to help you get started. Just hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell, then check out the pinned comment down below to get your free guide on making money with AI voiceovers. While extra features like smooth scrolling, animations, and mobile responsiveness make the site feel polished. Finally, the constraints ensure the output is clean, balanced, and ready to paste directly into Canva AI. So when you put everything together, this isn't just a prompt that creates a portfolio layout, it creates an entire portfolio website system that is structured, conversion-focused, and ready to build. And once you understand this, you're no longer guessing your design. You're controlling the outcome from the start. And that's how you turn a simple idea into a complete, high-converting portfolio using just one prompt. If you want to see how you can actually build the entire website portfolio inside Canva, make sure to watch the complete episode linked in the pinned comments down below, along with a copy of this prompt.